In this video, I am going to walk you through the Nidec Novolite Home Oxygen Concentrator, its design, specifications, limitations, and practically test its performance to decide if it's worth buying. Hello everyone, I am Pranav Kayastha, the founder of OxygenTimes.com, a portal where people come to read unbiased information about oxygen concentrators and find verified oxygen concentrator dealers. This is the latest Nidec Novolite 5 LPM home oxygen concentrator manufactured in the US by Nidec Medical with weight of only 13.6 kgs. This is one of the lightest home oxygen concentrators that dispenses oxygen with a purity level of above 90% at the flow rates from 0.125 to 5 liters per minute. Being one of the oldest American oxygen concentrator models and having a huge dealer network all across the world, Nidec Novolite is known for its reliability and innumerable success stories. To begin with, we will switch on the machine to see the time it takes to reach therapeutic levels of oxygen. In our warm-up test, we found that it took 53 seconds for the machine to complete its warm-up time and deliver oxygen at the purity of 86%. Initially, you would see the green OK indicator blinking, which would get solid once the purity stabilizes, indicating that the machine is ready for use. In our test, exactly after 2 minutes and 6 seconds, the purity level reached the maximum value of 95.6%. Talking about the looks, the machine is really compact, has a solid exterior that feels premium and durable. The handle at the top looks really sleek and has an excellent grip. With this handle, the concentrator actually feels much lighter than most machines in the Indian market. Moving ahead, there are locks on all 4 wheels that keep the machine secure in one place. The wheels are super smooth and locks appear to be of top-notch quality, completely securing the machine at a fixed location. Nidec Novolite has very smartly incorporated 2-part case design, which makes it really easy for the service provider to access all its parts during maintenance, reducing any chances of chaos at the time of service. Now, moving on to the most innovative feature of Nidec Novolite, which gives it a competitive advantage: its flow meter. Nidec Novolite comes with a lockable flow meter which has to be rotated to set the desired flow rate. The machine has a lockable flow meter with 12 flow settings from 0.125 to 5 liters per minute, and it's extremely easy to use. As opposed to a floating ball, this flow meter gets tightly locked at each flow setting and you will hear a tuck sound as soon as you set it. Now, we will practically see if the Nidec Novolite really delivers the flow rate that it specifies. When we checked through our digital flow meter, we found that the machine is supplying oxygen at 0.3 LPM higher than what it has been set on. Probably the company has designed it in such a way to maintain flow accuracy even when the filter is dirty and a little clogged. If you want to compare the specifications of Nidec Novolite with its competitors, then simply visit OxygenTimes.com, go to the comparison page and select Nidec Novolite with any machine you want to compare it with. We will select Philips Respironics Everflow here, hit compare, and you can see all the specifications and features side by side along with top comparison links with other rivals. Talking about the oxygen purity claims of 90+% made by Nidec, we conducted an oxygen purity test to confirm if the concentrator was actually delivering oxygen at the defined purity. Living up to the claims, we found the purity levels of 95.6% at all flow rates up to 5 liters per minute. Moving on, there are 2 indicators on Nidec Novolite which are placed in front of the unit. The first indicator, that is labeled OK, reflects the oxygen purity status. When you switch on the machine, it would continuously blink till the purity stabilizes. After that, it becomes solid, indicating that the device is ready for use. The second indicator, that is labeled with an exclamation mark, flashes red or yellow whenever it detects a device malfunction. The location of the indicators is a bit disappointing. You would have to bend down to the level of the machine to view their status. Nidec could have positioned it at a slanting angle similar to Devil Base and Aircep so that anyone sitting or standing could clearly see it. Moving on to the filters, we feel that Nidec Nuvolite has not really paved ahead and fallen short in this aspect. While their immediate rivals like DevilBiss and Aircep have eliminated external filters, Nidec still has external sponge-like dust filter that requires regular cleaning. Moreover, the width of this filter is as long as the width of the concentrator. That gives the back of the unit an old school look. We think it's high time that Nidec should upgrade its design and remove the external filter, making it maintenance free for the user. Coming to the humidification process, we really like the way Nidec has made it sturdy. The humidifier bottle has to be placed into the Velcro strap which is located at the top of the unit. It is generally seen that the elastic that many concentrators have to hold the humidifier bottle loosens up after repeated use, which looks very ugly. Nidec deserves an acknowledgement for providing a high quality Velcro strap as it is much more durable and aesthetically appealing. Moving on to the right side of the machine, there is an hour meter which shows the total number of hours the machine has run. Useful when buying a used machine or to track service history. An important feature implemented nicely. Talking about the power consumption, the company claims that Nidec Nuvolite consumes 290 watts of power. This is one of the lowest power consumption rates that any 5 LPM oxygen concentrator has claimed. Let us find out if it's actually the most power efficient machine. As you can see, Nidec Nuvolite is actually using power between 270 to 290 watts. The machine stands at par with its American counterparts in terms of the power consumption. This brings us to the end of this video and we'll now take our final verdict on Nidec Nuvolite. Let's quickly weigh the pros and cons of the machine. The device weighs just 13.6 kgs, making it one of the lightest and most compact oxygen concentrators currently available in India. The lockable knob flow meter of the machine helps you set the flow rate very conveniently, negating any chances of discrepancy. As per company claims, the machine provides purity above 90%, and in our test, we found that the purity was 95.6% throughout from 0.125 to 5 liter per minute. The machine has US FDA approval that ensures safety and reliability. Nidec Nuvolite has a built-in oxygen purity indicator that indicates when the purity falls below therapeutic levels. But it would have been better if the machine came with a built-in oxygen purity analyzer to see the exact percentage purity of oxygen like Oxymed Mini or Evox 5 LPM. Nidec Nuvolite has a good dealer and service network offering ease of after-sales service. The machine has many satisfied customers all over India. Nidec Nuvolite is a reliable name in the Indian and international market, which has surpassed many of its competitors with its durability and after-sales service. With some promising specifications, it caters to the requirement of supplying oxygen at high purity level. Now, let us come to the final verdict. Would I personally recommend this machine to you? It's one of the best. Nidec Nuvolite is a reliable name in the Indian and international market, which has surpassed many of its competitors with its durability and after-sales service. With some promising specifications, it caters to the requirement of supplying oxygen at a high purity level. I have personally seen this machine work for thousands and thousands of hours. This is all from Oxygen Times. If you want to know more about Nidec Nuvolite, visit our official website oxygentimes.com and read the full review in detail along with the price and feature comparison with its competitors. If you have any questions regarding this machine, feel free to ask using the comment section below and we'll answer at the earliest. All the relevant links have been placed in the description. Thanks for watching.